So let's give you an update on what's going on with the furniture recovery. As you remember, when we got this house, we got it as well with a lot of furniture, and our plan is to restore and reuse as much as possible. We are not very skilled on the whole carpentry area, so we hired someone to help us get this furniture back in shape. So let's take a look. So this is one of the items that has been worked for the last couple of weeks, and this one is beautiful. Is a round table that has it all this chicken feet, cow feet. I'm not so sure what kind of feet this is. So it has been completely sanded, all the holes closed, the little wood bug evicted from this property or this table, and now it's completely restored. Such a beautiful color. Look at it. Here it is. Let's take a look at the top. This is the top. As you can see, it has lots of character. It's not a super big table, but nevertheless, it is a lovely table that now is gonna get a second life and look absolutely beautiful. The other item that's still being worked on is kind of a big cabinet that we're gonna place it in the kitchen. This is the bottom part, and it has like a little top part. People call it like French cabinet, brutal French cabinet look. And this one needs a little bit more work because it was coming apart on the bottom, so it had to be fixed there. And as well sanded, fill in the gaps, evict all the wood bugs, and step by step is getting into shape. But there's still the top part that needs a lot of work as well. This piece, we most definitely want to put it in the kitchen in a prime area, and is going to serve to host utensils, serving plates, and so on. So here it is, some of the furniture that was renovated by a carpenter. You'll have to discount the dust because it just, from all the woodwork, it keeps getting dusty and dustier as soon as we cover it. We had a lot of chairs. They were treated for the little bug that eats the wood, and they were, let's put a little varnish in it so they get their shine back. This is another piece of furniture that we had in one of the bathrooms that we immediately discarded it because it was so old, but after repainting it, it looks lovely and it's fantastic for storage, so we'll definitely be using it. Another one is this massive cabinet that again was looking pretty dull, but after being renovated, it looks absolutely lovely. And we went with this little aqua color because it's absolutely lovely. This was a fantastic surprise. This cabinet is fantastic to put shoes and everything. It was in pretty bad shape, but a little bit of paint does absolute wonders. Approach with the furniture has been, if it's good quality, if it's solid wood, let's just reuse it. Do the treatment for the wood bug, so we make sure it's not eating our furniture. Get it a little bit of the back shine it had before, or completely painted it, because why go and buy new stuff when you have perfectly good furniture in the home? And I so much look forward to show you when the house is fully furnished and you can see the contrast of the old and the new wooden furniture that we are buying from a fantastic company in Spain that, stay tuned, in the future we'll share more about them, which is absolutely solid pine wood that we absolutely love, and it's going to look gorgeous comparing with the old. So this is another example of an older element and combining it with a new minimalist and simple. Thank you so much for watching and joining us on this journey of renovation. I hope you liked it. This was helpful. As always, leave us comments. We always read them and love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching.